Et tout m'a appelé l'autre jour, il me dit, tonton, ma copine m'a trompé avec un policier, qu'est-ce que je veux faire? J'ai demandé, qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Il dit, ben, elle n'avait pas sa carte d'identité depuis un bout de temps et donc il y a un certain policier qui l'aidait chaque fois que sa carte d'identité s'expirait. Et avant qu'il ne s'en rende compte, elle et le policier, ils entretenaient quelque chose de secret. J'ai dit, comment tu as su? Il dit, ben, un jour, il est rentré, tu as su? Il dit, ben, un jour, elle est rentrée à la maison et il se faisait un peu tard. Lorsqu'elle a cherché à savoir pourquoi elle rentre tard, eh bien, elle a dit, si je continue à la harceler, eh bien, elle va partir pour ne plus jamais revenir. Et quand j'ai cherché à savoir avec qui elle a passé tout ce temps, je me suis rendu compte que c'était le policier. Ne sachant pas quoi faire, j'étais obligé de fermer ma gueule et de supporter ce qui venait de m'arriver. Et quand j'ai entendu comme ça, je me suis dit, qu'est-ce qui peut attirer les femmes chez les policiers? J'ai partagé avec Stéphanie, eh bien, il y a un certain nombre de réalités qui est sorti. Les femmes aiment la sécurité. Ça, c'est vrai, non? Les femmes aiment la sécurité. Et un policier, naturellement, peut garantir la sécurité. Sauf si tu as affaire avec quelqu'un de plus grand que son policier ne peut pas gérer ou bien ne peut pas intimider. Donc, si tu vois une jolie petite fille qui a son sécurité, qui a son policier, que de temps à autre, ils fassent ensemble, ne sois pas surpris, cette jeune fille a besoin de la sécurité. Mais c'est pas tout. C'est pas tout parce que les policiers, le fait qu'ils sont également régulièrement en mouvement, fait en sorte qu'ils ont certains dégagements. Hein? Ils ont de l'énergie. Et cette énergie-là, ça rassure la femme que non, voilà un masculin, voilà un gars que son testostérone tient. Et elle veut. Et vous avez déjà dit non, la femme aime être malaxée. Elle aime qu'on la torture. Donc, elle aime que dans le séance d'amour, que tu la tortures un peu. Tu la fais souvent, tu provoques souvent, tu la fais voyager. Donc, quand la femme pense à un policier, dans sa tête, elle dit que non, voici un gars qui est toujours prêt au chap. Donc, du coup, des trucs comme ça, là, ça fait en sorte que la femme peut facilement give in. Ce sujet est très important parce que beaucoup de personnes ne font que me rencontrer chaque jour. Disent, Cyril, tu connais mon état financier, je n'ai pas l'argent, mais j'ai besoin d'une belle bigo. J'ai besoin d'une fille sexy, j'ai besoin d'une fille type 7, 8, 9, 10. J'ai besoin d'une fille que quand elle pense à elle, je suis fou. Il dit alors que bon, tout n'est pas que l'argent. Tout n'est pas que l'argent. D'ailleurs, même à fur et à mesure, si tu, par exemple, si tu viens à Molico, tu appelles une fille. Tant que elle sait que tu as les dos, elle va te dire qu'elle a faim. Toutes les filles de Molico, si tu veux, tu prends même le téléphone. Tu composes 10 numéros des filles de Molico, elles vont te dire qu'elle a faim. Pourquoi? Parce que dans sa tête, du coup, quand elle pense qu'un gars a la poche, elle pense directement que c'est pour les dos, que c'est parce qu'il a les dos, il va un peu griller les dos. Donc, du coup, il faut qu'elle se positionne comme un choix qui veut seulement gratter. Mais entre-temps, les femmes, quand même, sont très fans des gars qui se cherchent dans la vie, au fait. Et ouais. C'est-à-dire, si tu es un gars qui régulièrement fait du sport, qui régulièrement te bat pour avoir de l'argent, donc tu te bats légalement, quoi. Donc, chaque jour, tu sors quand même, tu pars quand même jongler. Hein, si tu veux, tu sois même à Kouloulou, que tu sois même que tu te bats, qu'elle voit que non, le gars, c'est là, il ne reste pas dormir, il ne reste pas attendre que ses grands frères, il ne reste pas attendre que ses grandes soeurs, que ses parents l'envoient les dos. Elle te voit chaque jour sortir pour aller te battre. Donc, cela, ça flatte la femme, ça attire la femme. Il y a aussi le gars que, bon, il reste scotché à sa famille. Donc, on parle déjà du gars qui est trop dangereux là, non. Un gars qui garde quand même, donc de temps à autre, tu peux le voir avec sa maman, tu peux le voir avec sa soeur, ou alors s'il est même dans une famille, s'il a formé une famille, il reste un peu focalisé sur la famille là. Ça va faire quoi? 3F, the 3F that women are crazy about. 3F, finance, fitness and family. Donc, si tu es un gars qui est broke, qui de nature tu n'as pas assez, tu te bats seulement, et tu veux attirer des très belles bigots, tu veux réaliser your fantasies, tu veux avoir plusieurs bigots, il faut que tu penses aux 3F. On va continuer en anglais. 3F has proven to be a formula that alpha men use to attract very beautiful women. They go by the saying that majority, when you have quantity, it makes that women struggle for you. So the first rule of alpha men is that you must have multiple options. So the more girls you have in your dating list, the more you have beautiful girls running for you. But if you only focus your attention on one girl, that girl will become very she will overpride herself and stress you. And the moment you feel like you could maybe substitute her, you will not have another girl. You will not have an alternative. The time to go and process another alternative will be long. That's why alpha men, they always recommend have more than one girl, married or not married, to have more than one girl on your list. You play just option. You might only give more attention to the one you are married to, but the other one, they should know their place. That's one. Now, they are after the same thing, the 3F. All these other girls, they know a man who is focused, even in his own family, a man who is working towards achieving money, and a man who is working his body, man, is a man who can guarantee security. We started the story by policemen. It was not by mistake. Women are hunting policemen. Why? They are hunting for security and they are hunting energy. So you who is hunting finance, who have a stable family, and you are also after fitness, it's sure that you can guarantee this thing. You can buy this thing. You might have also connection that can secure the girl in case of problem. You get it? So I don't want people writing me that MC Prince, I'm broke, but I'm not having a girlfriend. I'm not satisfied with the kind of girl that attracted to me. I want a class that is superior. Yes, you too, you can have that type 9, type 8, type 7. It's not bad. You can have them for yourself. But man, are you working through these three things? Are you punishing yourself? Because you need a lot of discipline. That's what you don't know. You see, 90% of the men are doing the same thing. They cannot sit in their room. They must be outside making big noise, trying to show masculinity by making the kind of noise women do. And women are watching. They wish their guy is not among those kind of crew that are just making noise all over. Get it? Do what 90% of the men are not doing. In the morning, how many men do you see jogging? Between you and me, how many? Do you think it's by mistake? No, the other one consider they are already fine. But real men want to have options. But let me tell you, all men in their mind want to have multiple options. There's no man fool. I mean all. Even the truck pusher you see like that, he wish, he dream, and you want to know whether I'm to give money to that truck pusher and see how, and see, observe him for the next 1 week or 1 month. His lifestyle will naturally change. All those girls he was fantasizing that he should have something to do with them, he will naturally engage the process. So don't be that kind of man who repress your inner desire because you don't want to chase your dream. Open up. Live your life. Don't wait till your energy is gone before you think that you can enjoy life. Which life can you enjoy when you are retired? It is now, when you are still young. It is right here. I know, this is a secret. I will reveal it only for you. I know girls, I know married men whose children are sponsored by side chick. Are you getting me? Now, there are some side chicks that cannot put to bed. She has, in short, her own process is completely banned, but she has real money. So she see very quiet married man who is after the 3F. She tell herself that, man, I like you. From time to time we can hang out. And maybe when people hang out, you just drop into your mood. We used to say that women do mood, but also men also do mood. Especially when it's a girl who is after you. So when you are moody, she starts saying, but what's wrong? Starts saying that you see that my junior like that. I want him to go to the US. But I don't. No, don't bother. That should not bother you. I'll take care of it. There are stories like that. There are stories like that. Now, those men are not exceptional men. You can be part of those men. You can broaden your spectrum. But you must work your masculinity, because as that woman is doing that gesture for you, if you're not careful, she can pull you out of your married home. You must build that masculinity and keep everybody in some place. No, don't start questioning which advice. If you were not hunting to satisfy your fantasy, you won't be here following this video. So if you are here, it's because you know you deserve better than what you have. You know God created you for a bigger purpose. You know the world is your home. And so you must be adventurous. You must go after things. You must open up. You must embrace the world. When things are free around you, have other options. Live a life as if you deserve it. Don't wait until you are in prison before you realize that you could live multiple lives. Don't wait until you're on your sick bed before you know that life was bigger than the option you chose. Why should you look through the window or through the lover when you have a door through which you can look and see better option? I hope you won't see your brokenness as a limit to realize some of your biggest fantasy. Don't repress those feelings, because the way you come out, it will only betray you. You know, sometimes we are self-absorbed by our status, and we forget to realize that the feeling we have are natural, and the more we repress them, a day, for example, you can see a very big sum of money, and that feeling you were pretending that you are not part of it will now reveal itself, and the least jump or the least effort, the least attempt you will make towards having another option, having another girl, it might tend to pregnancy, it might tend to illness, it might tend to so many things. Why? Because you have repressed that feeling for so long, pretending that you are not that kind of man. And as soon as you have small money, you see it naturally projecting itself and beating beyond your own scope. So I will always encourage men, live a full life. Lie to other people, but not to yourself. Accept the feeling that are coming right from within. It will necessitate you to work harder, to develop other aspects that you have been cajoling. But when you walk towards that lane, it is sure that you will be a very happy man, happy in the full context. Okay, so don't blame that policeman again, people. Yeah, she got your girlfriend and you'll now know why. To avoid that the next girl also shouldn't fall. Your brokenness is not a limitation. Instead, it is a springboard. Women are hunting men who are broke, but who are after the 3P. I hope we understand ourselves and that good things will happen to us. Thanks for standing behind the camera. I was Mel Steven. Until we meet again, say bye-bye.